As the politics rages over the controversial Citizenship Amendment Bill that has already been passed by both the houses of the Parliament and is soon to become a law, the road ahead is not that smooth as the bill will now face a Supreme Court test. The Indian Union Muslim League has approached the Supreme Court against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Its petition argues that the proposed law violates the Constitution by allowing citizenship based on religion. The bill provides for Indian citizenship to non-Muslims who fled Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan and entered India before 2015. The opposition in Parliament argued that the bill violates Article 14 of the Constitution, which promises right to equality and equality before the law. Many Congress leaders have also indicated that the party may challenge the bill in the court, as Congress leader P. Chidambaram said it is unconstitutional and the battleground shifts to the Supreme Court. This as the northeastern states of Assam and Tripura are boiling with protesters thronging the streets to voice their anger against the bill, which they believe will pose a serious threat to not only their livelihood and political destiny but also to cultural and linguistic identity. Remember, the bill was passed in the Lok Sabha with 311 members favouring it and 80 voting against it, while it was cleared by the Rajya Sabha with 125 voting for it and 105 against it. Former BJP ally Shiv Sena staged a walkout ahead of the voting on the bill in the Rajya Sabha, citing unsatisfactory response to the queries raised by it. The bill has been largely dubbed as anti-Muslim by many activists and Muslim groups. All eyes are now on the apex court's stand on the controversial bill.